morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and today I have got quite a bit I need to get done. The house is not that dirty. It's just me and my husband right now. The kids have been on vacation. They've been visiting grandparents. So it's really not that bad. I just mostly pick up after the dogs and us. But I needed to get my floors vacuumed and mopped. And also I show you guys how much dog hair I get up, and that is just literally like 3 days of not vacuuming. And I have to vacuum every day, but sometimes I just don't. So, and it had been about 2 or 3 days since I vacuumed, and just the amount of dog hair I got up is insane. But I also will be sharing with you guys how I make my lavender linen spray. I used to buy it from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was like $10 for a small bottle. And it didn't last long because I use it all the time. I use it all over the furniture, everywhere in the house, bedding, dog beddings. I literally use it everywhere. And it is so easy to make. And it's also a lot cheaper. So I will be sharing with you guys how I make my lavender linen spray. And I was just moving the couch and the recliner, well, the little love seat, so I can get vacuumed up underneath there. It wasn't too bad because I had literally just did that a few days ago. But I just needed to get it done again and get it all mopped. And I want to buy area rugs so bad. I cannot wait. But until Valkyrie is literally done chewing on things, I am not buying stuff like that. I have a little throw rug in front of my makeup table, and it's a little fuzzy one, and she's always biting on that and pulling on it. And so I just don't want to spend the money right now until she is completely done with all that and I've got her broke from it, because I am not wasting money. That stuff is so expensive. And she chewed the back of the couch. So now, well, my recliner, she chewed the whole back of it up. At first it was like a small spot. It wasn't that bad, but we went to a friend's house for the 4th, and when we got home later that night, she finished eating the back of the couch. So, like I said, once she is broke from that, I've got to get new furniture. But I just can't see spending the money on it. We had got her a dog kennel. She destroyed the dog kennel and got out. And she's only 7 months old. So, she is a handful. Oh my God, she's such a handful. Love her to death, but cannot wait till she's done with this chewing and eating everything. So now I am making the lavender linen spray, and I use about 20 to 25 drops. You can use more or less according to how strong you like it. I like mine pretty strong, so I do about 20 to 25 drops and a tablespoon of rubbing alcohol, and then just mix those two together very well, and then you add a cup of water in and give it a couple of shakes, and you've got lavender linen spray. And if you want to fill the whole bottle, then you just double your recipe. But I use it everywhere, on the dog's beds, the curtains, everywhere. So it's just one of my favorite little homemade products that I make. And the lavender essential oil is like $8 at Walmart, and the rubbing alcohol is $1. So for $9, and then you've got water at home, make a bunch of the lavender linen spray, and it will last you a long time versus going and buying the lavender linen spray for like a small bottle for like $10 that don't last very long. So I just make it myself. And then also for like fall, I just, same ingredients. I just swap out the lavender for like my pumpkin I have a pumpkin spice essential oil that I absolutely love for fall. So when fall rolls around, I will have another spray bottle with that. But with the lavender oil, I will always use that in my bedroom, on my bed, and even the kids' bed. It just helps you fall asleep better and sleep longer. And it's just relaxing. But if you guys have got tons of vacuuming and mopping to get done, this is your video, because this is everything I had to get done because it really needed it. I have a big patch of dirt outside in the backyard, and Thor rolls around in it because it's cool. And then they get up underneath the back patio, which is full of dirt, and they just roll around in it, and then they shake off in the house, and it's just tons of dust and dirt. So it was just well overdue. And then I'll also be taking down some of my 4th of July decor, and I really didn't do a whole video on decorating because I did not have a whole lot. We did have a cookout, so I kind of wanted to get some of the decor up before the cookout. We had our little cookout before the 4th, and then we were at our neighbor's house for the 4th.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible.
But like I said, the house wasn't even that bad. It's just been me and my husband here. And with the kids being gone, the house stays a lot cleaner, minus the dogs. I mean, I have to clean up after them all the time, especially Valkyrie. But Thor had been rolling around in the dirt outside, so he tracked in a bunch of dirt. And so that was on the floor, so I had to get all that vacuumed up and mopped up really good. And the floors is what took me the longest to get done, because there's just a lot of hardwood floors. So I was just doing the in sections. As I got one room cleaned, I just went ahead and got it mopped, vacuumed and mopped. And I was just getting the countertops wiped down and the stovetop as well. But it was just a super quick clean up. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to y'all on Tuesday. Bye.